Okay, hi guys! Welcome to my channel. It's me again, Carla, and welcome to the video. So for today's video guys, as you can see on the title and on the thumbnail, this is another tutorial video for you on how to add custom fonts on my mobile video editor, which is the VLLO. So marami sa inyong nagtatanong if what to do if you wanted to use a custom font. So this video can help you a lot on how to do that. So guys, without any further ado, let me start the tutorial. So first thing first is I already downloaded a font which I got from thefonts.com. So I have here so where is it? So I'm going to use this dance. This is fonts guys, the Bonjour, Axilia, what else? Fontana, Luciana, Nevada Night. So that is the fonts which I got from thefont.com, but now I'm going to use dance and I'm going to import it in VLLO so that we can use it there. So just tap this ellipsis and press this move icon and then import it or move it sa documents iCloud na folder. And once you've done, tap this move and yeah, it's already in there. And now let's go to VLLO app. So this is my VLLO app in a Christmassy theme. So I already have here. So now I'm going to type Sunday. So I'll just change it. So Sunday. So I have here cute little fonts na custom din siya. But let's change it for today. So let's say for example I wanted to change this font. So just tap the font and in here you can see a plus button. Just tap the plus button and tap this documents riddle and this. Just tap this dance and voila. So here it is guys, it's already imported and currently I am using dance regular fonts. So that's super easy guys. So if you wanted to ask some more or you wanted to request some more tutorial video like this, just comment down below and I would gladly make a video for you guys. So thank you so much for watching and yeah, so see you guys in my next one. Bye, peace.